Assalamu alaikum dear students, we are continuing the same topic, the digestive system. By watching this video, you will be able to learn the absorption of food in small intestine, problems with the digestive system, for example, indigestion, diarrhea and constipation. The absorption of food takes place in the small intestine. Let's watch how.
Absorption and assimilation of digested food. Absorption. The digestion of food results in the breakdown of large food molecules into smaller particles. The passage of this digested food from the alimentary canal into the blood and lymph is referred to as absorption. Small intestine is the principal site for the process of absorption. The mucous membrane of the small intestine is provided with folds which have many finger-like projections called villi. These villi increase the surface area for absorption. Most of the mucosal cells have several minute projections called microvilli. Small and water-soluble nutrient molecules diffuse into the blood through the mucous membrane by passive diffusion. Water is partly absorbed into the intestinal cells by osmosis and then transported to the blood. Sugars such as fructose and mannose are absorbed with the help of some carrier molecules present in the mucous membrane along the concentration gradients. The long chain of fatty acids and monoglycerides are insoluble in water in the intestinal lumen. Fatty acids, monoglycerides, and bile salts aggregate to form water-soluble molecules called micelles. From these micelles, fatty acids, glycerols, sterols, and fat-soluble vitamins are actively absorbed by the intestinal cells. And are resynthesized into triglycerides or fats. The bile salts are freed and returned to the liver. The remnant of these micelles is left behind and combines with new fatty acids and monoacylglycerols. The intestinal absorptive cells then collect the resynthesized triglycerides or fats, combine them with phospholipids and cholesterol, and coat them with special proteins. These are then released through exocytosis into the lymphatic capillary of villi, called the lacteal, in the form of protein-coated water-soluble fat globules or droplets called chylomicron. These droplets are then transported to the bloodstream through the central lacteal of the lymphatic system.
I hope it is clear now that how absorption is taking place into the small intestine. Now another topic is problems with the digestive system, digestion, diarrhea and constipation. Indigestion is caused when you overeat or eat quickly and do not chew food properly. In the consequence, the stomach produces extra gastric juices. With the result, the stomach contains a lot of acid, and when the person belches, some of the acid comes up the esophagus, causing a burning sensation, which is called heartburn. Now this is a symptom. When you feel heartburn, keep in mind it is indigestion. Now, indigestion can usually be cured by taking a tablet or drink which contains an alkali that will neutralize the acid. Always remember, a person who constantly has too much acid in his stomach may get an ulcer, and this is when the acid starts to eat the wall of the stomach, which then becomes raw and very painful. The bottom line is, eat slowly, eat less, and chew food properly so that you may avoid this problem. Another problem with digestive system is diarrhea. Let's watch what it is, what are its causes, and how it is treated.